Hi, I'm John with WTI. Now, it can get expensive to always be taking your pet to the dog groomer to make sure that their nails are cut. And so we got these nail clippers for dogs from Safari. Even though our dogs really hate it when you touch their paws, when you cut their nails, these have made it easier and safer. Now, I've always been super scared that I was going to hurt my dogs, I was going to cut their quick. And so I love how this has this little stopper here. So as you can see, you put the nail in that little stopper will prevent the nail from going too far and you cutting off too much, especially if your dogs are a little bit nervous or jittery like mine and they like to move around and they're trying to pull their paw back. So that makes it so that the nail can't go too far in and you cut off too much. So that has really made life a lot easier for me. It's really given me peace of mind to know that I won't cut off too much or drastically reduce the chances of cutting off too much of their nail. Now, the stainless steel blades are very sharp. It's very easy to get a good, quick snip and cut off their nail. And then with the spring, it's also really nice because it bounces back and you're ready for the next cut immediately. So they're not too big, nice and small. Both of my dogs are around 35 pounds, and it works perfect for the size of dog that I have, and probably even a little bit bigger as well. So if you're looking for a really high quality nail clipper, one that's designed to help prevent any accidents by cutting the quick, then I highly recommend these ones by Safari. Again, I'm John with WTI, and that's my point of view.